I continually meet farmers who complain, Dr. Leonard, I am absolutely drained. In fact, I cannot even take care of my own family feeding because of my investment in poultry and livestock. The cost of feeding is too high that I can't even continue in the business. Most of the times when I look at them, I discover that the problem we face in poultry and livestock business is not necessarily that we are or the poultry feed is very expensive. I have discovered that majority of the poultry farmers don't have the knowledge of feed formulation. If you're a poultry or livestock farmer and you cannot supplement or augment your poultry and livestock feed, and you base 100% of the poultry and livestock feed intake in commercial feed, it will be very difficult for you to continue in the business. Nature have blessed every region, every state, country, irrespective of where you stay or where you live or where you practice your poultry business. You have all the natural plants, crops, and whatever to take good care of your poultry and livestock animals without crying for the high cost of feed. Lots of poultry and agricultural byproducts, waste that can be converted to feed your poultry and livestock. Most of the times, it is even possible for you to feed them 100% without buying feed. Some of the problems we face is one, lack of knowledge. Many farmers don't even know the nutritional value of the raw materials or ingredients they have in their region. Some of these agricultural byproducts and wastes are very good feed resources. They have the energy, they have the fat, they have the fiber, they have vitamins and minerals that will grow our poultry birds to maturity without giving anybody money. So watch out in this video. Let's get it right thereafter.
Hi. Agricultural byproducts, often seen as waste, can be valuable. They can serve as a valuable resource for cutting feed costs in poultry and livestock farming. By repurposing these byproducts, you not only reduce feed expenses but also contribute to a more sustainable farming system. In today's video, we will explore 10 innovative ways to utilize agricultural byproducts to significantly lower your feed costs while maintaining the health and productivity of your animals. This particular video is how to use agricultural byproducts to cut poultry and livestock feed costs. Now, 10 points I'm going to give you. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Incorporate wheat bran. You see all this bran, most especially wheat bran, corn bran, and rest of them, they are very rich poultry feed raw materials. Wheat bran is a common byproduct of milling and is rich in fiber and essential nutrients. It can be added to poultry and livestock feed to improve digestibility or reduce reliance on more expensive feed ingredients. Number 2, use corn stover. Corn stover or corn bran, which excludes leaves and stalks left after harvesting corn, can be used as roughage in livestock feed. It is a cost-effective way to provide fiber and bulk to diet. especially during the off season. Number 3, utilize rice hulls. Rice hulls, that is the outer covering of the rice grain, are a lower cost byproduct that can be used as a foliar in feed. They provide fiber and help reduce overall feed costs without compromising nutritional value. 4, feed with soybean hulls. Soybean hulls are the outer layers of soybean seed and are rich in fiber and protein. Remember that the main soybean seed itself is highly contestable because of the use in poultry, livestock, industries, and many other areas. They can be used as a supplement in both poultry and livestock feed, reducing the need for more expensive protein sources. Incorporate beet pulp. Beet pulp is a byproduct of sugar beet processing and is high in digestible fiber. It can be used to supplement feed for livestock, improving gut health and reducing feed costs. The next one is use brewery byproducts. Brewers' yeast and spent grains from brewers or from beer production are excellent sources of protein and nutrients. They can be incorporated into feed to reduce reliance on commercial protein supplements. The next one is include olive pomers. If you know of olive pomers, they are the leftover materials from olive oil extraction in the company or the factory. It is rich in fiber and can be used as a feed ingredient. It's essential, useful for ruminants and other poultry and livestock animals, can help lower feed costs and at the same time maximize your profit margin. Incorporate apple pulp. Apple pulp from cedar production is high in fiber and can be used as a feed ingredient for livestock. It provides bulk and nutrients while utilizing a byproduct that might otherwise be wasted and be thrown out. Next one is utilize peanut hulls. Granite hulls are a byproduct of peanut processing and can be used as a low-cost source of fiber in feed. They are particularly useful for ruminants and can help reduce feed costs for poultry also. Add cottonseed meal. Cottonseed meal is a byproduct of cotton processing, and it is a valuable source of protein for both poultry and livestock. It can replace more expensive protein sources in feed formulation. As a poultry farmer, your aim should always be at reducing the cost of feeding your poultry, which takes more than 70% of the total investment. If you found this video tips on using agricultural byproduct to cut feed costs helpful, please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more insights and cost-effective strategies in poultry farming. Hit the notification bell so that you are always updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like this video, please. Share it with your other farmers and leave a comment below. Sharing your experience or any additional tips might help, and at the same time might even help you in your business. Anything you find very interesting in this particular video, or anything within your farm that is confusing you, that you need proper explanation and clarification, drop it on the comment section. Using an agricultural byproduct effectively can lead to agricultural savings, and at the same time it can also lead to significant saving in poultry and livestock feed costs. By incorporating these resources into feed formulation, you are not only reducing expenses, but you are also contributing to a more sustainable farming operation. Please, I thank you immensely for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more practical advice on making your own farming practices more efficient and cost effective.
You can practically use all these ingredients I mentioned in this particular content to create a very good feed formula that will give you maximum result in short period of time. Let's meet on the comment section. If you want me to create good feed formula using these particular ingredients, drop it on the comment section, and the more people that want it will determine if I will go into that. Let's meet there.
Till I come your way with the next video loading. Bye for now.